In the shadows of the city, where the neon lights all fade, there's a whisper in the darkness, where the night can masquerade. A hand that lifts the fallen, a heart that never breaks. He walks among the people, no spotlight on his face. But not all heroes wear capes. They don't need fame, don't need praise, just a touch of grace and the fearless gaze. No, not all heroes wear capes. He's the stranger in the subway, the one who knows your name, a guardian in silence, never seeking out the fame. When the world's turned upside down, when the danger's close and near, he'll step into the fire, erase the doubt and fear. But not all heroes wear capes. They don't need the fame, don't need the praise, just a touch of grace, a touch of grace, and the fearless gaze. No, not all heroes wear capes. In a world that's torn and shattered, where the light begins to fade, he'll find you in the darkness with a hope that never strays. You might never see him coming, but you'll know when he's been there. For the shadows turn to sunlight when he takes away despair.